The PowerVault DL4000, powered by award-winning AppAssure software, is a turnkey one-year appliance that goes beyond backup to complete data and application recovery. Joseph Hand, a Dell product expert with years of in-depth experience with AppAssure software, shares his perspective on the value of the DL4000.
When you think of backup, you really think of products that are going to need a lot of care and feeding, be extremely difficult to set up, and they're limited in some of their functionality in the way that they can actually perform restores quickly and efficiently. And that's really what the crux of the AppAssure product does. It solves these problems. Once we introduce it into the DL series and have it there as both a hardware and a software appliance, we now have the best of both worlds. We have best of breed hardware and we have truly integrated software on it that is going to allow us to basically drop it in and have it function in your environment in a very short amount of time.
This purpose-built backup appliance is optimized to deploy quickly, eliminate your backup window, and rapidly recover both your data and the associated applications you use to run your business. The DL4000 creates snapshots as often as every 5 minutes, protects data and applications, and maintains standby virtual machines to quickly restore critical servers. From initial deployment of the DL4000 with its first-time boot utility, which streamlines the initial setup of the appliance and configuration of the network and storage, your business will begin to see the benefits of this customized solution, with features such as internal automatic storage provisioning during first-time boot. Soon, we will be adding automatic storage provisioning for direct attached storage to give you more ability to grow your infrastructure. Joseph tells us more about the AppAssure software integrated into the PowerVault DL4000.
By Dell, AppAssure stands for Application Assurance. So more often than not, the typical backup product out there does a backup of the data it's supposed to protect, and it can do some light verification on whether or not that data is valid. It still comes up short in the sense that you don't necessarily know anything about the application itself that's running on that server. So what AppAssure does to solve that problem is not only are we confident in the data, the quality of the data that we're pulling off of the machine, but afterwards we use a virtual disk driver, we mount that set of volumes on the AppAssure server, and then we go through a process of testing the actual application data. All right? So now with confidence, I can tell you, and I can show you with a nice little pretty green light, that that data is restorable, and when you restore it, it will actually work. If it's Exchange or SQL, these are your mission critical applications. We test these applications by actually mounting and attaching the databases, and we know for sure that they're going to work.
The DL4000 gives you a smarter way to protect data and applications in your growing environment, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you can get back to business as usual in practically no time at all. Dell, giving you the power to do more.